Hi! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we are actually celebrating UAE National Day here in UAE, of course. And it's a double celebration because our wife's boss, is also celebrating a birthday. Her 18th birthday. Charis. So, yung iba, natutulog pa kasi walang pasok. Pero kami, gagala kami, okay? So, saan ba kami gagala? Let's see. Where's our gala? So, join me on this trip. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, today is UAE National Day and we are celebrating two big celebrations here in UAE.
Hindi na lang late siya. Hi! Kasi naiwan ko yung jacket at sobrang ginaw. Diyos niya, Marimar.
So we are going na kina boss. Sanang gala. So kami nga po ay lumarga na and it's UAE National Day, so big celebrations for the Emiratis and all the residents here in the Emirates. And as you can see, lahat na makikita ninyo sa lansangan, all around, indoor, outdoor, merong mga flags. So ganyan katindi yung pagmamahal ng Emiratis sa kanilang bansa. And ayan, let's go. First stop is, I think, Dubai Mall. So we are going to Dubai Mall for our dinner treat ni Madam. So yun nga, sa PF Chang's po ang celebration, ang dinner treat ni Ma'am Shi Diskaya. So ayan, we are walking now in a very beautiful sceneries of this restaurant. So ayan, kung gusto nyo sumakay sa kabayo, pwede po. So may pa-view ng dancing fountain while you are dining in to PF Chang's. So this is my first time dining in. Happy birthday Ma'am Shi, happy birthday. So ayan, and namili na po kami nakakainin pero wala po ako mapili kasi gusto ko adobo or sinigang. Birthday adobo and sinigang, sabi. So ayan, si Ma'am Shi, ang ating celebrant and the big boss, of course. Thank you so much. So ito na po yung ating mga food. Let's eat. Eating time. So the dynamite shrimp, na abang sarap talaga. The papaya salad and the sauces and the, I don't know what is this, the emerald. So let's eat, guys. And of course, hindi rin naman pinalampas ang crowd area. Kailangan makita nilang aming ganda. So nagpicture muna kami dyan sa likod ng Burj Khalifa. So picture tayo sa Burj Khalifa, sabi ni Mayora. So naalala ko, ito pala yung endpoint ng Dubai Run. Yan mismo. So next stop is we went to Global Village. Yan. So ayan po yung mga fireworks. That was at 9 p.m. So mabilis na lang yung fireworks. Tapos agad. And when I turn to my left side, merong isang pasabog pala. The drone show. Ayan. Diba? Naubo pa si bakla. Ayan. So may drone show dyan sa Global Village after the fireworks. And everybody enjoyed this drone show. Ang ganda-ganda talaga in your eyes. Talagang parang AI, parang totoo. So ang drone show nila is pinapakita yung culture and then the brand mismo ng UAE, and ang ganda. Diba meron pang pa-karak chai, the teapot. So may hilig kasi ng Emiratis or Arabic sa tea, especially the Sulaiman tea, yung green tea, mga ganun. Tapos ayan naman ang parang old Dubai, yung mga buildings nila before nung sinaunang panahon, nung sinasakop pa tayo ng Espanyol. Charis, ganyan yung building nila. So the next figure is yan po ay yan yung kamay ng mga Emiratis pag sumasayaw sila while they are dancing their national dance. Yung kamay nila na may tungkod, tapos sabay sila ng Expelliarmus, Charis, Harry Potter. So the logo of the UAE, I think it's a falcon ba ang logo na it's a falcon, not eagle or eagle. I think it's a falcon, but it's the bird, the big bird. Alam niyo naman na maraming big bird sa UAE, Charis. So ayan, next is Labubu, Charis. Umaharang excel sa Labubu. Next is the astronaut, which is the nakalipad na kasi sila sa buwan, sa moon. So meron silang flag doon ng UAE sa moon. Isa sa mga bansa na nakatapak sa moon. Kailan kaya tatapak ang Pinas sa moon? Charis. Lagi na lang to the moon. So ayan, super crowded talaga, and they are happy seeing those drones. So I think it's done. Tapos na po. Hindi pa. May kasunod pa. So meron tayo dyang mga image ng mga hari. 7 kings, sheikh of the 7 Emirates. Tama ba ako? 7 Emirates? Comment down below kung tama ako or mali. And the flag, of course, of the Philippines. Yes! Kaya Philippines. Ayan. Flag of the UAE. Ayan, nakita nyo, tuwang-tuwa yung mga Arabo. And the country, or ano bang tawag dyan, sa the geography map of the whole UAE. Yan. Sinadya ko po yan para makita nyo kung gaano kagwapo yung mga tao dito. Kaya while you are watching, magbaon ng kanin para busog. So ayan, I think that's the founding leader or the founding sheikh or king of the UAE. Nag-alarm ang cellphone ko. Pasensya na po. So ayan. And Eid al-Ittihad. Eid al-Ittihad meaning Happy Union Day. Di ba? So, ang tawag nila sa UAE National Day is Eid al-Ittihad, meaning Happy Union Day and Happy New Year. Charis! So, ayan. With the background of Japan Tower. That's it. So, mas matagal yung drone show kaysa sa fireworks. th anniversary ng Global Village. Of course, thank you so much for making this drone show a successful show. Walang masabi sa baka. Ayan po ang aking mga kasamahan na nananampalataya. Charis. So, enjoy your night. Enjoy your night. So, let's go na. The war. Kalas. Finish. So, maglibot-libot na po tayo. Habang busy po sila sa pagpipicture sa akin. Charis. So, ayan. Naglibot-libot na nga kami around the Global Village and still the same like what I've visit before. Kasi galing na ako. Pero may mga bago dyan like this. The Exoplanet. Ayan. Last visit wala yan. I think 2 years ago when I visit Global Village. And ayan, may nawala, may nadagdag, but still the quality of this theme park is, you know, bonggang-bongga. 20 dirhams lang ang entrance and yan, you will enjoy the sceneries. Parang nagagala ka talaga, nag-visit ka sa ibang bansa. So we entered this Asian Hemi-route, Asian streets, yan, parang mga puro Asian dyan sa lugar na yan. And Oman. And there's a horror train also, pero hindi train. Ayan, yung lumilipad ka dyan. Ang ganda ng Global Village, wala akong masabi. And ayan, more the war, the slingshot. I want to try but you know naman, wala pang sahod sa YouTube. Kayo mga nanonood, don't skip the ads please. The Mango Fiesta of Thailand. Pero mas marami yatang mango ang Philippines, dapat tayo charis. And too much rides, a lot of rides you can enjoy. And it's safe, very safe. So please do subscribe on my YouTube channel and thank you for watching. Share the vibes, share the positive vibes. Thank you for watching and thank you for joining my trip. Thank you. Putak ka. Bye.